Hello everyone! So what are the most important events this week that will affect the market? We're going to have a look at the UK and the Australian employment reports and the US CPI. Here at XM.com, this is the weekly technical analysis video. So starting from the US, traders will prioritize the CPI data for April scheduled for release on Wednesday. According to the S&P Global PMIs, the growth rate of production prices in April was strong but slower compared to March. So looking at euro and dollar, we can see that the market is battling with the 50 and the 200-day SMAs, as well as with this medium-term descending trend line around the 1.0785 level. If the market breaks these levels here, then it may challenge the 1.0814 ahead of the 1.0880 and the 1.09 resistance levels. Alternatively, a pullback to the downside, it may first find support at the 20-day SMA of 1.0712 ahead of the 1.0647 and the 5-month low of 1.06. A drop beneath this level here, then it would endorse this medium-term descending movement. Now looking at the technical oscillators, the RSI is pointing slightly up above the 50 level, while the stochastic posted a bullish crossover and is moving towards the 80 level. Moving forward now, we're going to have a look at the UK employment data, which is coming up on Tuesday, and with the projected unemployment rate expected to increase from 4.2% to 4.3%. Now looking at GBPUSD, the market is also having a strong obstacle now around the 200-day SMA, which is currently holding near the 1.2537. And if there is a successful move above it, then it may head towards the 50-day SMA at 1.2593, which is also overlapping with this falling trend line. A penetration of these lines here, then it may move towards the 1.2630 and the 1.2708, which is also confirmed by the technical oscillators, which are pointing upwards. The MACD is holding above its trigger line but beneath its zero level, while the stochastic, after the bullish crossover within its percentage K and percentage D lines, is ticking higher. Now alternatively, if there is a break beneath the 1.2465, then the price it may move towards the 5-month trough of 1.23 before testing the 1.2186. Now looking at the Australia's employment report, after the Reserve Bank of Australia decided to maintain a neutral stance, traders in Australia will now turn their attention to the country's employment report on Thursday. It is anticipated that the report will show a slight increase to 3.9% from the previous rate of 3.8%. Currently, the market is holding within this trading range since the mid of January, with upper boundary the 0.6635 and lower boundary the 0.6390. And climb above the upper boundary of the range, then the market it may switch their attention to 0.6665 and 0.6730, and it will change the outlook to a more bullish one. On the other hand, a drop beneath the 0.6555, it may move near the short-term SMAs and of course near this bullish crossover of the 20 and the 200-day SMAs of 0.6516. So a movement beneath these lines here, then the price it may test the 0.6465 at the lower boundary of 0.6390. Now looking at the technical oscillators, the MACD is weakening its momentum above its trigger and zero lines, while the RSI is moving horizontally above the neutral threshold of 50. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.